Hello, welcome back to another episode of Measurement in a Minute. I'm your host, Justin Kozak with Lakeside Process Controls. And in today's video, we're continuing our discussion around Rosemount's DP level transmitters. In particular, we're talking through our different options available depending on your application. So the first option is the single seal assembly. Say that 5 times fast. And as the name implies, the single seal assembly has one diaphragm seal, and this system would be mounted at the bottom of the vessel, typically in an application which is vented to atmosphere or contains no vapor pressure, so we don't have to correct or really compensate for that vapor pressure measurement in this reading. And it will be mounted directly to the bottom of the tank with the various connections that we have, whether it's a flange option and various seal options, maybe an extended seal or a flush seal. Another option we have is called the 2-seal assembly, and again, as the name implies, there are 2 seals here. So this is when we want to correct for that vapor pressure in our DP measurement. So the same setup where we mount the pressure transmitter or the DP transmitter at the bottom of the vessel, and then we have a remote capillary that then has that remote seal mounted at the top of the vessel, and that is what translates that vapor pressure down into that DP transmitter assembly. We have something else that's really important in these applications called a flushing ring, and this is especially important if we have applications that tend to build up. This gets inserted right between that seal and the flange, and it allows us to connect up flushing capabilities. So we can use water, solvents, nitrogen to help clean out any sort of buildup that may be occurring on that diaphragm seal. Often these are actually referred to as calibration rings because we can actually put a known pressure to this to help calibrate those transmitters. So really, really cool capability as part of our DP level transmitters. Should you have any questions about our DP level transmitters or any other of our products, please reach out to us at www.lakesidecontrols.com. Thanks and have a great day.